The body of late Chief Christian Offor has been committed to Mother Earth in his compound, Ameze village, Mgbakwu, Offor North Council area of Anambra State. Chief Christian Offor, who died at the age of 91 years, was a committed Christian and a father of 10, including engineer Kenneth Offor. Justice Onyemobi filed this report.
In a homily at St. Stephen Anglican Church, Mgbakwu, the Bishop of Ihamufu Diocese, Right Reverend Daniel Nkejika, pointed out that it is natural for one to cry when lost loved ones, saying that Christ Jesus wept at graveside of Lazarus, his friend, before raising him up from the tomb, urging the bereaved not to cry like people without hope, while emphasizing that one day all the righteous ones that are in the grave will hear the call of their Maker and must come out to answer him.
Christ.
While expressing his feeling towards the death of his father, Engineer Kenneth Offor said he missed his fatherly care and love he had shown them as his children, promising that they would do everything humanly possible to see that they maintain the good legacies of their father. Engineer Ken also said that he finds comfort in testimonies of people that the father lived a good life.
Because he is a man that is really very close to our culture. And that really endeared me to him. He took me into the nitty-gritties of the customs and traditions of our people. Thank all that supported us during this burial and all that attended this burial. I say thank you to all of you.
According to one of his in-laws, Senior Apostle Buchi Emmanuel, who narrated the cordial relationship between him and the father-in-law, describing it as what he called Ogobuchionye, and prayed God to grant him eternal rest in his bosom. Lending her voice, the first daughter of the deceased, Reverend Mrs. God's-elect Emmanuel, asked God to give members of her family the fortitude to bear the loss and to be their fortress in the time of their need.
He's a very peaceful man, a man of peace, a good leader. My father said to me that he prefers to push barrels than to go and take something that is not his. For you to know, he said there's dignity. He taught me that.
The remains of late Chief Christian Offor was finally laid to rest after a special prayer by the officiating priest who came to pay their last respect, followed by the special rendition by the choir of St. Stephen's Anglican Church, Mgbakwu.